Yo, what's up everybody? Today we are going to be doing, well, over the next couple days, we're going to be restoring this hopper bottom you've seen in the last video here. This hopper bottom that is new to us, but we're going to get it in pristine condition. As you can see here in the background, check this out. We've been washing and waxing and polishing, and check this shine out as we come down through here. Look at this, you can almost see the reflection. Well, you can in certain parts. We're getting there. Several coats, a lot of elbow grease, and a couple Milwaukee batteries on the drill. But check this out, what we started with. Here we are, right here, and I'll try to get some hyperlapse, time lapse in there. There's some scrubbing going on here. We're going from this nasty soot on this aluminum trailer here, and we're breaking it down into this nice shiny aluminum, so whenever we go into town we'll be looking nice. And it'll be our first time taking this hopper bottom into town with a load of grain on it. We want it to look nice, so here we are, guys. Check this out. Look how shiny this is. Looks brand new. You can almost see the reflection. Oh, I'm talking to you guys in reflection. What's up, guys? Hey, stay tuned and be sure to check out our other videos on the channel. Be sure to drop a comment if you've ever done something like this before, and subscribe. Guys, sit back and enjoy. Alright guys, there you have it. That is one coat on this section here between the marker lights. I don't know if you can tell, but check this out. It'll take more than one coat. This is just the first coat, and I've been using two different products. So the second coat I'll go over with the second product, and then I'll also use a Milwaukee drill. But I'll get down through here, and you can see down here, this is what's actually had a few coats on it already here at the end of the trailer. Like I said earlier, it's a mirror finish. But if we come back down through here, you can kind of see where the mirror starts to fade a little bit. And this is where we've only got one coat in there. As you can see here, we'll go to the marker light, and then boom! Right here is where we left off. Marker light there above my head. But just check this out, guys. Unbelievable of what it does when you polish an aluminum trailer. We're just doing a section at a time, and as you can see right here, that's the section that has been done multiple times. I was using that as a control from marker light to marker light. I went ahead and did the center of the trailer from marker light, center of the trailer, to the next marker light over here, just to see how many passes it would take to shine that up just a touch. But we are getting there. It's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take a lot of elbow grease, like I said, a lot of batteries. But just follow along for the process. I'll try to video as much as I can, but if not, I'm going to try to get still pictures. And check this out. Look right down the side here. Holy smokes. We're going to try to get it the mirror finish like we got on the back here, but look at that. Holy smokes. That is incredible. That looks really nice. So guys, stay tuned on watching us rebuild this and revamp this hopper bottom. Be sure to check out our other videos. During the winter we did a lot of farming simulator videos, but we've been outside enjoying the nice weather. We haven't been able to get those videos out to you. So check out the rest of the videos. Be sure to like, subscribe. Guys, we'll catch you on the next one.